On behalf of everyone at Central Mindanao University, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the graduates of our various non-degree programs. I was told there are about 944 graduates or participants in this particular closing exercises. So, atong palakpakan inyong mga kaugalingon. Today is a celebration of your academic achievements, of your finishing your respective programs, you as our students, through your dedication, passion, and perseverance. CMU is not just a home of degree-holding professionals, but also of highly skilled and well-accomplished experts in the field of technical education and skills development. These non-degree programs, aside from being more accessible and more affordable than the full degree courses, have opened doors and created opportunities by equipping students with practical, hands-on skills essential of both local and overseas employment. Through the years, CMU has developed countless graduates, our alumni, whose technical knowledge and skills have strengthened the Filipino workforce and contributed significantly to the national development. As you will be moving forward, joining the ranks of highly skilled professionals, may the knowledge and values you acquired here at Central Mindanao University lead you to success in your new endeavors. Please be noted that we at Central Mindanao University are so proud of your achievements. Just continue to build your integrity, your discipline, and your passion.